we are about to turn this into this. Oh, you're not yet ready for this glow, are you? Hi everyone, welcome back. While doing the makeup, I'll be showing you some tips and techniques. So stay tuned till the end for the final radiant look. Let's start. I always begin with skin preparation, and then I start by applying a creamy, hydrating moisturizer to keep the skin plump and smooth, following with MAC Strobe Cream for the full glam look. This creates the perfect base for foundation. Today I'll be doing my base first and then move to eyeshadow, starting with correcting and concealing. Now here comes the tip number 1. If you don't have hyperpigmentation, then you can avoid using orange corrector. Rather than just use a concealer which is 2 to 3 shades darker than your own skin tone, and apply only on that area where you have the discoloration. As I have so much pigmentation, you can also see, and dark circles, that's why I'm using NYX orange corrector to hide the dark circles and pigmentation and blending the edges only. I won't blend that much, and now to neutralize this orange color, applying Tarte concealer in the shade Deep Tan. Wherever I have applied this orange, on top of that I'll apply this concealer, and then dabby motion will blend all over it. Next, we'll apply very light layer of Estee Lauder foundation in the shade 4N that matches my skin tone, and with the help of foundation brush, I'm blending all over it. However, I'll still be using a damp beauty sponge and blend it seamlessly into the skin for the smooth texture. Tip number 2. For more skin finish brilliant look, you can also spray MAC Fix Plus Hydrating Spray into the sponge and blend foundation with this sponge only. This way your base will look more flawless and dewy. Tip number 3. If you need to add dimensions or to have slim lifted effect on your face, then always use cream contour first and then apply powder bronzer on top of that. Using this technique adds way more structured face look, and even that stays more longer whole day. So I'm using Fenty Beauty contour stick in the shade Mocha, applying to the hollow of my cheeks, jawline, forehead. Blend it out for a natural effect. Next, for conceal highlighting, I'm using Huda Beauty concealers, applying or mixing 2 shades together to lighten the high points of the face, blending everything with a sponge for a smooth finish. So friends, tell me, what do you think? Why I apply 2 shades of concealer to highlight? Comment conceal if you want to know the reason in detail. Moving ahead, to set the makeup base, using Laura Mercier setting powder and lightly dusting under my eyes and around my T-zone area with the help of this powder puff. Baked under eyes as well with same powder, as now I'm moving to eyeshadow. To start with, I'm using a sugar brow pencil to outline and fill in any sparse area, keeping it very natural but defined. Then I set my brows in place with a clear brow gel to hold the space. Here comes the tip number 4. Always prefer using self-setting concealers instead hydrating concealers to avoid the crease line. Priming my eyelid with Tarte concealer and setting with a translucent powder. Now for the eyeshadow, I'm going for a very soft pinky kind of a look. And for the detail of this eye look tutorial, I have posted a separate video for this look. You can check that out. I'll share the link in the description box. Further, to add more hydration, using MAC Fix Plus setting spray all over the face. Next, I'm setting the cream contour with a powder bronzer for the long lasting effect, and for that I'm using Juvia's Place this beautiful contour palette, and top up the blush using powder blusher by NARS. Next, I'm applying MAC powder highlighter to the cheekbones, nose and cupid bow for an extra glow. For the lips, I line them with a NYX lip pencil to define the shape, and then fill them up with a matte MAC lipstick. Lastly, I lock everything in place with a NYX setting spray to ensure my makeup lasts all day and give a natural finish. Hey, there you go! And here's the final look, a stunning full glam makeup that looks perfect for any special event. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a video. See you next time. Ta-da!